Welcome to another Techie Tip Tuesday. Today I wanted to give you a very quick demo on how to set up your Mac for automatic backups using Time Machine. Once we're done, you'll understand what Time Machine is, what it does, and see how easy it is to get started with regular unattended backups. Firstly, let me say, the chances of you needing a backup are tiny. Electronic devices these days are so reliable that only a small percentage of them fail during their working life. What if you're unlucky enough to be a member of that small percentage? Think about what you've got on your computer. Emails, financial information, business documents, photographs of your family. Do you have a copy of all that information anywhere else? And if you do, how long would it take you to piece it all together again? With that in mind, I think you might agree it's worth a small financial investment and an even smaller investment of your time to reduce the risk of losing data in the event of theft or disk failure. Okay, so what's Time Machine? Apple included Time Machine as a feature of their operating system from late in 2007, which was OS X 10.5 or Leopard. This feature, once configured, automatically backs your machine up for you with little or no intervention required. The reason it's called Time Machine, though, is that because of the way it works, you're able to refer back to how a file or files looked on a given day in the past. I'll show you this in another video sometime, but today I wanted to show you how easy it is to set up Time Machine to back up to an external hard drive. Okay, so here I am on a Mac running OS X 10.8 on Mountain Lion. I've got a new Western Digital external hard drive in my hand, straight out of the box, and if I plug that in now, my Mac recognises this as a drive it hasn't viewed before, that I don't have Time Machine configured, and so it asks me if I want to use this drive for that purpose. If I hit the Use as Backup Disk button, that will then show you that it's selected that as my backup drive, and it's going to start a backup in 113, 112, 111, 110 seconds. Up in the menu bar, this is the icon for Time Machine, and it tells you here what is actually happening with Time Machine. You'll see now that this shows that my machine is about to start backing up to the external drive. Now the backup started a couple of minutes ago. I can actually close down system preferences because the backup information will still be available from this menu here. So you can see it's backing up 740 meg of 7.5 gigabytes. So I can let that run and I'll come back when it's finished. Okay, so once the first backup's complete, it'll show you the message that you can see now, and then it'll continue to back up any changes to your machine every hour while the drive is connected. You can see latest status updates by clicking on this icon, but if there's a problem, Time Machine will usually let you know. And that's it. You can now leave your drive connected, it'll back up for you, and should the worst happen, you'll have a recoverable drive with all your information on it to restore to a new computer or internal drive. If you've got any comments on today's video, or any others, or a suggestion for future shows, I'd really like to hear from you via email at info@chno.co.uk, or you can get in touch through any of our social media sites, which are listed at the top left of our page, www.chno.co.uk. Finally, if you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/CHNO Technology Ltd, and you'll keep up to date with all of our releases during the year. Thanks for listening, have a great week, and I'll speak to you again soon.